Maintaining a healthy lifestyle and losing weight might be difficult, but eating a well-balanced and nutrient-rich diet is essential for success. You may boost your general health and reach your weight loss objectives with a diet high in whole foods, low in processed foods, and added sweets, and offering the proper ratio of nutrients. The reason for this is that proper nutrition and calorie management are key components of diet, which also provides your body with the necessary building blocks for weight loss and general health maintenance. The fundamentals of a nutritious diet for weight loss will be covered in this post, along with tools and advice to support you along the way. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about the ultimate guide to healthy eating for weight loss. Now let's get started. Number 1. Introduction. An overview of how important healthy food is for losing weight. Many people find it difficult to lose weight, but eating a balanced diet can help tremendously. In addition to assisting with weight loss, eating a balanced diet rich in wholesome foods enhances your general health and well-being. The body can receive vital nutrients from a diet high in healthy fats, which also lowers the chance of developing chronic illnesses. The ultimate guide to healthful eating for losing weight. Its goal. This guide's objective is to give a thorough explanation of the various ways that a good diet might aid in weight loss. Discover the fundamentals of losing weight, what makes a healthy diet, how to create meal plans that help you lose weight, and the best ways to lose weight. Our mission is to support you in making well-informed food decisions so that you can accomplish your weight loss objectives and sustain a long-term healthy lifestyle. Number 2. Understanding the basics of weight loss. Calorie value in reduction of body weight. Eating less calories than you take in is the easy way to lose weight. The body must burn fat that has been accumulated as fuel as a result of this calorie shortfall. Creating a consistent calorie deficit over time is necessary for weight loss. Reducing your body fat percentage requires that you have a clear understanding of the calories in your diet. The energy balance science. Energy balance has a role in weight loss. The ratio of calories burned to calories burned is known as energy balance. You need to establish a negative energy balance in order to lose weight. This implies that you ought to burn off more calories than you take in. Exercise and nutrition can be combined to achieve this. Hormones' effects on losing weight. An essential part of controlling body weight is hormones. The regulation of hunger and metabolism is influenced by several hormones, including insulin, leptin, and ghrelin. Eating a balanced diet is essential to maintain hormonal balance and healthy weight management, since these hormonal abnormalities can make weight loss challenging. Number 3. Components of a healthy weight loss diet. The value of protein. Because it aids in the maintenance of lean muscle mass and encourages fat loss, protein is crucial for weight loss. In addition to helping you feel full and content, foods high in protein also reduce your desire to eat harmful foods. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and milk are all excellent sources of protein. Include goods as well as legumes and beans. The part fiber and carbohydrates. Play because they aid in digestive regulation and energy production for the body. Carbohydrates and fiber are crucial parts of a balanced diet. All carbohydrates are not made equal though. It's crucial to select complex carbohydrates like whole grains over simple carbohydrates like sugar if you want to lose weight. In addition to aiding in weight loss, dietary fiber keeps you feeling full and content. To carry out, advantages of good fat. Fat is not the enemy of weight loss, despite what the general public believes. In actuality, because they maintain brain function, control hormones, and encourage fullness, good fats are critical for weight loss. Nuts, fatty salmon, avocados, and olive oil are good sources of good fats. The significance of vitamins and micronutrients. Vitamins and micronutrients are critical for both weight loss and overall health. These vital nutrients encourage cellular health, maintain a healthy metabolism, and control hormones. The best approach to guarantee that your body is receiving the vitamins and micronutrients it needs to assist weight loss is to eat a diversified diet full of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense foods. Number 4. Meal plans for weight loss. Making a plate that is balanced. A plate that is in balance is essential for effective weight loss. To feel full and content, it's crucial to arrange your plate such that each piece comprises protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, with a focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie items. Meal planning and calorie calculation. Two crucial strategies for effective weight loss are portion control and calorie counting. You can consistently establish a calorie deficit and regulate your calorie intake by keeping track of the amount of food you eat. To achieve this, monitor your intake using meal prep's advantages. Having wholesome, well-prepared meals ready when you need them is made possible with meal planning. Meal prep in advance helps you avoid reaching for unhealthy, high-calorie items, saves time, and lowers stress. Locating nutritious food alternatives. A wonderful strategy to cut calories and help with weight loss is to find nutritious meal substitutions. For instance, you can use a low-calorie vinaigrette or lemon juice and vinegar on your salad in place of a high-calorie, high-fat dressing. Over time, little adjustments like this can result in noticeable weight loss. Number 5. Weight loss. Best practices. Advantages of drinking water. Because water promotes a healthy metabolism and helps to flush out toxins, staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Additionally, consuming adequate water helps to increase satiety and lessen appetite. Try to have 8 glasses of water or more each day, the value of engaging in exercise. Being physically active boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories, which makes it crucial for weight loss. Frequent exercise also contributes to the development of lean muscle mass, which enhances general health and aids in weight loss. 5 days a week, he suggests doing moderate intensity activity, like brisket, for at least 30 minutes. B. Try to move quickly, using mindful food to reduce weight. By teaching you to pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and satiety, mindful eating is a fantastic technique to assist weight loss. This can be accomplished by eating mindfully, focusing on your meal, and taking your time to appreciate and savour it. Additionally, it aids in lowering your food intake. Stress reduction and sleep. Because sleep and stress reduction can impact the hormones that control hunger and metabolism, they are significant contributors to weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, practice stress-relieving exercises like yoga and meditation, and keep your weight in check. Furthermore, healthy sleeping practices like B, reducing screen time before bed and establishing a tranquil sleeping space can enhance the quality of your sleep. Conclusion. Maintaining general health and reducing weight are significantly aided by eating a balanced diet. You can take a step towards a healthier lifestyle and accomplish your weight loss objectives by using a balanced strategy. Recall to exercise patience and constancy. Never be afraid to seek out assistance and services when needed. You can live a happier, more fulfilled life and enhance your health by adopting healthy dietary and lifestyle choices. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.